Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. And today we are going to do a really quick dump and bake manicotti. This is not an authentic Italian meal, of course. This is just easy, simple ingredients that you could just dump in the pan and get it in the oven and get supper on the table. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. You take, all right, this manicotti noodles. I'm just going to show you the box. Okay, and string cheese. Let me see. This is what I have. You could absolutely, definitely use just the mozzarella sticks, okay? But this is what I had on hand, and you know what I always say, just make that make, okay? Use what you have. All right, so we take those shells and just put that in there. I did grease my pan, friends, okay? And we go ahead and we finish stuffing all of the string cheese in the noodles. And when you're done, ta-da, that's what it looks like. You're going to take your favorite pasta. I always use the budget-friendly kind. And just pour that over your noodles. All right. I'm going to use that jar again. Then, when you wasn't looking, I grounded 1 pound of hamburger with a diced up onion in it. Okay, see the onion? Now just pour that on your manicotti noodles. This is so easy. Like I said, that's why it's called dump and bake, because we're just going to dump it in here and we are going to bake it. That is my kind of meal. I mean, it's not authentic, but hey, you know, like I said, quick meal. For replacement here, you can use Italian sausage rather than hamburger. All right, now we're going to put a little bit of pepper. I like pepper. And throw in some garlic. All right. Some Italian seasoning. Okay. Okay, you don't have to do this step, but I like to put crushed red peppers. Just a little. Okay. Then you take your jar and get 1 cup of water in that. You're going to shake it up. Okay, then you're going to pour it right over your stuff. You know, those noodles got to cook somehow, and this is how it happens. Okay, nice. All right, friends. Then we're going to take this, put to aluminum foil. See how quick that was? Wasn't that so simple? With like not a lot of ingredients, right? Okay, so we're going to pop that in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. Okay, I've taken it out of the oven 30 minutes later, and now we are going to go in with a cup of mozzarella. Okay. Get it all. And a 1/2 cup of Parmesan. Okay, so now, my friends, we are going to get this baby in the oven for 20 minutes. Do not cover it. Just pop it back in the oven. Friends, I just want to give this to you as a reminder while you are popping your manicotti in the oven for the last 20 minutes. Good time to throw in some garlic toast. Oh, that turned out really good. I know this is pretty hot. I just pulled it out of, look at the cheese pull. Nice, nice. I just don't want to burn my lip on that cheese. And it smells awesome. Okay, I'm just going to put this down and you can see what that cheese looks like after it's done. Oh, this is going to be one of my favorites. Yeah, I really, really, really liked it. It was so simple to put together. It did not cost an arm and a leg, so it wasn't that expensive. And it was truly a dump and bake meal. So, friends, when you're in a hurry, this is a go-to, definitely. All right, friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more budget-friendly quick meals, please subscribe. And most of all, friends, keep cooking. I love you all.